Hello everyone. Now we will take next topic, that is absolute value of rational number. The symbol of absolute value is like these two parallel lines, and in between these two parallel lines any rational number. So this is a symbol of absolute value. Okay, remember, if there is some rational number which is positive, then the absolute value of positive rational number will always be positive. But if the rational number is negative, then the absolute value of negative rational number, this is always positive. It means the positive rational number absolute is positive and the negative absolute value is also positive. ये आपको बातें याद रखनी है. Now question 1. Question 1 is find the absolute value of rational numbers. इसका absolute value निकालना है. Means you have to find out the absolute of -1/5. -1/5. ये minus sign, you can write it on the upper side also by writing it in standard form. So this is the negative rational number. So according to the concept, negative का absolute value क्या होगा? Positive होगा. So its answer will be 1/5. Okay. So this is a symbol of absolute negative rational number. So negative rational number absolute is positive. Now come to the second one, 7/9. This is positive. So is positive rational number का absolute will remain as positive. So it would be positive. Similarly, 0/-4. 0 upon any number is always 0. अब हमें 0 का absolute value निकालना है. So the 0 is neither positive nor negative. So its absolute will be 0. क्योंकि ये ना तो पॉजिटिव है ना ही नेगेटिव है, so it will remain as 0. Now fourth part, absolute of -3/2. -3/-2. अब ये देखिए, minus and minus will be cancelled out, so it would be positive. So the positive absolute will be positive. Now next question. In question 2, you have to compare the absolute value of the rational numbers. In this question, compare the absolute value means आपको इसका absolute value निकालना है और उन दोनों को compare करना है. तो हम सबसे पहले इसका absolute निकालते हैं. 3/-7, its absolute is 3/7 because this is negative, so negative absolute is positive. And similarly, we will find out the absolute of this. So it is -3/7 absolute. Again it is 3/7. अब आपको इन दोनों को कंपेयर करना है. कंपेयर मीन्स वेदर इट इज ग्रेटर देन और लेस देन और इक्वल्स टू. So what do you observe? Both of them are equal. So therefore absolute of 3/-7 equal absolute of -3/7. Second part. Now again we will find out the absolute of -5/7. So its absolute would be 5/7 and 4/3 का absolute निकालते हैं. So it would be 4/3. 4/3. अब हमें क्या करना है? We will find out, we will compare these two together. अब compare करने के लिए 5/7 and 4/3. So सबसे आसान मेथड, टेक द एलसीएम. डिनोमिनेटर का एलसीएम लीजिए, दैट इज 21. नीचे से डिवाइड, ऊपर से मल्टीप्लाई. तो 21 डिवाइडेड बाय 7 दैट वुड बी 3, 3 को ऊपर से मल्टीप्लाई 15। सिमिलरली नीचे से डिवाइड 7, 7 को ऊपर से मल्टीप्लाई 28। नाउ राइट देम सेपरेटली, तो 51 अपॉन 21 एंड 28 अपॉन 21। अब आप क्या ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हैं? हियर द डिनोमिनेटर इज सेम इन बोथ ऑफ देम, so which one is greater, 15 or 28? 28 is greater, and 28 is the absolute of 4 by 3. So this means 15 upon 21 less 28 by 21. So therefore 15 by 21 is the absolute for minus 5 by 7. This is less absolute of 4 by 3. Similarly in third part, हम दोबारा से we will find out the absolute of these. So absolute of minus 4 by 5 is 4 by 5 and absolute of minus 3 is 3. अब हम इन दोनों को कंपेयर करेंगे। टू कंपेयर 4 by 5 and 3, तो 3 को हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 3 by 1 लिख सकते हैं। Now we will compare these two together. So 4 by 5 and 3, तो हम कैसे करेंगे? 4 by 5 and 3. Now take its LCM. So after taking its LCM, 5 would be the LCM. नीचे से divide, ऊपर से multiply. So same procedure you will write it. You will follow same procedure. Now write them separately. 4 by 5 and 15 by 5. अब 4 by 5 and 15 by 5. So this is the absolute. It means that 4 by 5 is less than 15 by 5. Less than 15 by 5. अब ये किसका absolute था? Minus 4 by 5 and minus 3. Minus 4 by 5 and minus 3. So it means minus 4 by 5 absolute is less than minus 3. I hope this question is clear to all of you. In question 3 is find all the rational numbers whose absolute value is 2 by 5. आपको ऐसे रैशनल नंबर्स निकालने हैं जिन सब का एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू 2 by 5 आए। तो लेट्स सी, अगर हम 2 by 5 लें, इसका एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू इज 2 by 5, minus 2 by 5, its absolute is 2 by 5, 2 upon minus 5, its absolute is also 2 by 5, and then you can take minus 2 upon minus 5 also. तो अगर आप यहाँ पर देखें, इन सब का एब्सोल्यूट would be 2 by 5. What about 0? 0 का एब्सोल्यूट would be 0, so its answer will be only 0. Similarly, 3 by 4. 3 by 4, absolute 3 by 4, then minus 3 by 4, then 3 upon minus 4 and minus 3 by minus 4. Minus 3 by minus 4. तो इन सब के अगर हम एब्सोल्यूट निकालते हैं तो we would get all the value as 3 by 4. I hope these questions are clear to all of you. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.